Okay, Brent, are you ready, dude?
I think so,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, great. Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Chirp and I'm here with Brenton and we're gonna be talking about the Chirp Wheel XRs for extreme relief today. All the XR wheels have been made with more durable and harder foam than the normal Chirp Wheel Plus to dig in deeper and address specific muscle knots running along the spine and at the base of the neck. First, we're gonna be talking about the 10-inch acupressure wheel. Like the other Chirp wheels, it still has a spinal canal, but it has these ridges and spikes all along the side. They look scary, I promise they're not, to address trigger points that are running all along the spine to really have that acupressure massage. All right, Brenton, let's try this one first.
Let's do it.
Brenton, we're gonna have you lift up your hips and lean back on that wheel. Bam, that's what we're talking about. So as you roll back and forth, you're gonna feel the nodes from the 10-inch acupressure wheel just digging into your upper back muscles and lower back muscles. And what's awesome about it is your upper back muscles actually consist a lot of your traps that go from your neck to your shoulders to your mid back. And a lot of that tension goes straight to your traps. And we neglect rolling out on our upper back when we have neck pain because we don't realize that's where it's coming from. And the acupressure wheel is a perfect wheel for this. Now we're gonna have you roll back down and put your bum on the ground. I said bum for all the kids at home. And there we go. This next wheel is the 6-inch knot kneader wheel. And you can see the pattern on it. It has bigger bumps followed by little bumps to help replicate a shiatsu feeling along your spine. This is the deepest tissue massage wheel that we have of all of the Chirp wheels. It's 6 inches, so it's gonna be deeper than the 10-inch acupressure wheel. And it is going to really get in there if you like a deep massage. All right, Brenton, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have you use the 6-inch knot kneader wheel. We're gonna have you lean back the same way you do on the other wheels and lift up your hips, and you're going to roll along your spine. This is going to feel like the deepest massage you've had from a Chirp wheel because it is. Those big nodes and those small nodes are working together to create a shiatsu feeling to really move in and out and work those muscles. What's great about this wheel is it really hits those lower back muscles as good as lacrosse balls and as good as other forms of really deep tissue massage. It also, as you move along your upper back and it starts to hit your traps, hit your rhomboids, and take away a lot of that tension and pressure that you hold in your shoulders from slouching and hunching over all day. It feels like someone took all of the Oompa Loompas in a factory and combined them into a wheel, and they are using their thumbs and feet to dance across your back. But with the weight of about 1,000 tons, what you're gonna feel in your heart and soul is goodness and cheer. And once you're done feeling those things, Brenton, we're gonna have you lower your hips back to the ground and give a smile to the world because you know what? You have just added one more happy man to the world who's gonna make a world of difference. So thanks for being here. This is the last wheel in the Chirp Wheel XR collection. It is the neck pain and headache relief wheel. It has these nodes on it to represent thumbs and fingers to replicate a suboccipital release. You ready for this?
Of course.
Okay. Brenton. Oh, there you are, Brenton. Seems you found the 4-inch neck pain and headache relief wheel. That's one of our personal favorites and probably the most soothing wheel that we've created. It has 2 nodes for thumbs for a more mellow pressure and 2 nodes to represent fingers for a more intense pressure if you have really tight knots at the base of your skull. If you lay on this wheel for 15, 30 seconds up to a minute, we've had customers talk to us about how it's helped relieve their tension headaches and neck pain. And that's all for this tip.